Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Books to manage invoices from online sales step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the settings section found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select online payment. Here, you can configure payment gateways to receive payments from online sales. Click on that Add Payment Gateway button. Choose your preferred payment gateway from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your payment gateway to Zoho Books. After setting up the payment gateway, return to the Settings menu. Select Invoices under the Settings section. Within the Invoices settings, adjust your invoice format to meet your branding needs. Customize your email preferences to communicate efficiently with your customers. Next, navigate to the Taxes section in the Settings menu. Set up any applicable tax rates relevant to your products or services. Then, head to the Items section to add your products or services. Click on the New Item button to create an entry for each product or service you sell. Fill in the item details, including name, rate, and tax applicability. Once you've configured your items, go to the Invoices tab in the main dashboard. Click on the New Invoice button to start creating invoices for your online sales. Select the customer from your contact list or add a new one. Add the items you've created to the invoice by selecting them from your inventory. Make sure to check the quantity and apply the correct tax rates. Set the invoice date and due date as needed for your sales. Review the invoice for accuracy before sending it to the customer. Finally, choose to either send the invoice via email directly from Zoho Books or download it as a PDF. You have now successfully configured Zoho Books to manage invoices from your online sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.